Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. How are you doing today? Welcome to the channel. Today we get to make Happy some dog food. It's going to be chicken, veggies, and rice. She's in a low-fat diet, so we got to make chicken. Usually I'd use beef, but yeah, she's an expensive dog if you don't feed her the right stuff. So let's get in the kitchen and get to cooking. Shouldn't take long. So when I make Happy's food, I just use whatever store brand it is, and it says use today or freeze, and well, I freeze it. And then when I'm ready to make her food, I just take it out of the freezer, let it thaw a little bit, cook it up. Alright, so we just go in here, grab a couple of bags of this, well, California style vegetables. It's cauliflower, carrots, and broccoli, all good for the dog. I got different kinds. Better grab some hash brown patties for the partner, because we're gonna have breakfast too. So now we need something else. We got the veggies, we got the meat, we need the rice. Wow, that's a big bag of rice. Alright, let's get this together. So we got a couple pounds, we're gonna brown that down. Alright, the chicken is nicely browned, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna dump the fat off, and then I'll see you in a minute. So you don't want to pour it down the sink, the fat, because it'll plug up your pipes, and you don't want that. So I just pour it back into the container that it came in. You don't have to get all of it off there, just most of it. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna add, I don't know, I want like maybe 6 cups of no. I want 8 cups of cooked rice, so I'm gonna put 4 cups of, actually, I don't know what the math is. It'll be fine. 8 cups of, no, 6 cups, double it, 12 cups. Yeah, 6 cups of dry rice, and then like, I don't know how much water. I like using mason jars to measure stuff, because you fill it up and then you fill it up with the other thing, and that's the same. And you can customize them. Look, I got a sun in there, and then some mountains, and a little campfire. Yeah. Oh, there's a tent too. Yeah, you can make them custom. Anything you want. Maybe I'll show you how to draw a tent or a campfire next time. Maybe not. All right. 6, 4, 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. That's 6, right? 6, 3, 12. That's 12 cups of. All right. I think we got the math right. Let that go for a little bit. I added the water. I don't think I added all the water, but Happy's making sure I'm doing a good job. Aren't you, Happy? You're making sure I'm doing a good job? Huh? Yep, that's that. Looks like most of the water's out of there. So let's give it a good stir and add the veggies. And you want to stir that in really good. I add the frozen veggies just to help it cool down a little faster. Nice and stirred up. I'm going to turn off the heat and cover it and let it sit there for about 10 minutes and think about what it did today. Happy's waiting for me to get her food poured. So we're going to get the cookie sheet. We're going to put some parchment paper on it. And then reach over here and grab that. All right. Oh, that's heavy. I'm gonna need, no, I'll take this off. All right, let's do it. And then you just, one-handed. Oh, yeah. Just dump it, in. There you go. I like to use this to smooth it out. Should be a nice paste. Alright, that's about it. It's about as flat as I can get it. Now I just got to cut it into sections before I freeze it. It's a little hard to cut when it's frozen. Cut them into about a cup-sized pieces. Should be about 5 by 3 or 4. All right, that's that. All ready for the freezer. Well, let's have Happy try it and see if she likes it. You like it? Oh yeah, I think she likes it. Happy, you like it? Chicken, rice, and veggies. Way to go. Oh yeah. That didn't last long. Clean Plate Club. I mean, a bag of food is $40. I don't know. I don't know where you shop, but for the good stuff, it's expensive. And what you can do is just buy a big bag of rice, $11. Buy a couple pounds that are going bad. That was $2 a piece. We got the bags of veggies for about $1.30 a piece. So I think the meal together was maybe $10 just for that batch, and that $10 is going to last about 2 weeks. I mean, we added chicken, rice, and veggies. Happy's right there. She loved it. She's all worried about a squirrel that might be up there somewhere. I just see 2 doves, but that's Happy. Just check out this list and add any of those to your food. Double check with your dog, make sure they're not allergic to it or anything, because some things they might be allergic to, just like humans, we're allergic to stuff too. But they're all beneficial in some way, in some shape, form, or in some way, some form, shape. They're all beneficial. Sometimes sweet potatoes, like when they're on sale or something, just chop them up and you can do whatever you want. Any veggies except for peas kind of run right through the dog. So if you want to smash the peas first, otherwise you just get piles of peas in the yard. And that's not beneficial because they're not breaking it down. Just, well, if you know your dog's allergic to something, don't add it. If you think they might be allergic, just add a little bit. And then if they're not allergic to it, just add a little more, and then you'll have good food. All right, it's simple, it's easy, and it's a crazy world out there, and there's dog food in it. Some more expensive than the other stuff, but this stuff's pretty dang easy to make. So make some for your dog. See if they enjoy it. Mine sure does, and it's really, really, really easy, like I said. James, master of none. Make the happy, happy, happy. Where's the dog? There's the dog. See you next time. Thanks for watching.